Hello guys, welcome to Civil Concept, and in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate volume of concrete in a foundation. Okay, so you can see here in this picture this is a stepped foundation, and in the previous video I had told you that how to calculate the concrete for a trapezoidal footing. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate the total volume of concrete in a step foundation. Okay, so here we can see there are the given data that for step 1, step 2 and step 3 and column as well. Okay, so you can see in this picture the step 1 is this at the lower bed, and step 2 middle bed, after that step 3, and after that we have put a column. Okay, so here you can see the dimension of step 1 is this much, dimension of step 2 is this much, length, width and height, and dimension of 3 is this much, length, width and height, and column is this much. Okay, so we will calculate with the help of this dimension. Okay, so let's start with the help of civil concept. Okay, so move to our www.civilconcept.com, and when you reach to this website you will see interface like this. Okay, so if you have membership then you can go with start tools, otherwise you can go with start tools with edge. Okay, so calculation is same. Okay, so I am clicking here and you will reach on this interface this like this. Okay, so there is general tools, special tools and common tools. Okay, so in general tools you have to go in the soil mechanics, and after that you have to click on the foundation concrete calculator. Okay, so click on this and you will reach on this web page. Okay, so you can see here foundation concrete calculator. Okay, now you have to input the dimension of all step 1, step 2, step 3 and the column. Okay, so for step 1 the length, width and height are how much, the 2, 2.2 and 0.4. Okay, so put here 2 and 2.2, and after that here 0.4. Okay, so 0.4, and here I will select meter. Okay, so because the dimension are in meter, if you have other dimension then you can enter as well, centimeter, millimeter, inch, feet. Okay, now you have to enter the value for step 2. so step 2 is length, width and height is 1.5, 1.3 and 0.25. Okay, so put here 1.5, 1.5, 1.3, 1.3 and 0.25. Okay, so let me check here, 0.25 meter. Okay, so this its unit is also in meter. For step 3 you have 1, 0.8 and 0.2. Okay, so put here 1, 0.8 and here height is 0.3, 0.3. Okay, so 0.2. Okay, so put here 0.2. Okay, now for column length is 0.2, 0.2 and height is 3 meter. Okay, so put here 0.2, 0.2 and 0.2, and here height is 3 meter. Okay, and here you have to set the weight to dry volume multiplier. Okay, so it is very important for civil engineer because you have to convert weight volume of concrete to the dry volume. Okay, so you can take from 52% to 54%, and according to your handling, according to your material management. Okay, so I am taking here 1.52 because I have taken 52%. Okay, so if you take 54% then you have to enter 1.54. Okay, now click on the calculate volume and you will get answer in a second. Okay, so here you can see for step 1 the volume is this much meter cube, step 2 the volume is this much meter cube, for step 3 this is the volume, and for column you have 0.12 meter cube. Okay, and total weight volume of this foundation is 2.528 meter cube, and total dry volume will be 3.84 meter cube. Okay, so this calculator has given us the volume of step 1, step 2, step 3 and column, and also the total weight volume and dry volume. Okay, and if you go down calculation where you can check how to calculate the volume of foundation manually. Okay, so here I have written all the formula and process, stepwise process. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the weight volume of concrete in a foundation. So this much for today. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for new update about civil engineering.